Windy weather has a lot of us reaching for the allergy meds and the tissues.
Oh yes, CBS 13, Heather Jansen is live in Sacramento getting answers on when we may see some relief in the allergy department. Heather.
Yeah, well, it's still a little bit breezy out here. Of course, that wind advisory, as Dave said, did expire at 5 o'clock. That doesn't mean that we still don't have some trees blowing in the wind. And if you're anything like me, you've been sneezing, you've been coughing, and had a little bit of a stuffy nose. And unfortunately, the season may just be getting started.
For Megan Christensen, a walk in the park these days isn't as easy as it sounds.
Zyrtec and Benadryl and Flonase and the allergy medicines are all in my system right now.
All that just to handle the outdoors. The reality for her and for many dealing with allergies, especially on windy days.
There's no wearing makeup in this weather for that reason.
This wind kicking up pollen from trees especially. Dr. Arva Fez calls these conditions irritating to most, even those who don't typically have allergies.
Pollen plays a factor, but there's also irritants in the air, dust and pollution, and that can also seem similar to allergies.
But as wind gusts die down, is relief on the way? It's unfortunately bad news for allergy sufferers. Our area's allergy index holding strong this week, mostly staying within the high levels throughout the next 5 days as trees continue to bloom.
I have a feeling this year's probably going to be pretty bad because it's already acting up.
Fears there are even worse days ahead as some get hit with symptoms who have never had them before. And these days, how do you differentiate between allergies and COVID? Doctors say look for symptoms like fever and chills. Even in mild cases, if you have to question it, take a test. For those who know it's not the virus, they're finding it hard to explain it's not something worse.
It's hard because, for him, it's just allergies, but, you worry that people are going to think you're sick.
These recent windy conditions not providing a breath of fresh air for those who suffer most.
So how do you deal with some of these allergies if they're acting up? Dr. Fez says nasal sprays she finds work the best, as well as using antihistamines, and wearing a mask when you're outside also does a big deal. Back to you guys.
Yeah, those masks can certainly help in the allergy department as well. Thanks so much, Heather.